डिडंट आई टेल यू गाइस कि इस बार घरेलू चीजें मिलेंगी तुम लोगों को चैनल पे। Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Swasti. If you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel. And welcome to Diwali 2020. And as promised, I am delivering. So the point is, दिवाली पे यार बहुत मेहनत होती है, स्पेशली ना जो चांदी के बर्तन धोने पड़ते हैं उसमें। पूजा के सारे बर्तन चांदी और तांबे के होते हैं, नो मैटर कब धुले हो। लास्ट लाइक यूजुअली नवरात्रि पे धुले होते हैं एंड उसके बाद भी दिवाली तक फिर से गंदे हो जाते हैं। प्लस इट टेक्स आवर्स फॉर यू टू वॉश देम। बहुत मेहनत लगती है घिसने में, नेल्स खराब हो जाते हैं और बहुत कुछ होता है। बेसिकली नॉट अ वेरी हैप्पी जॉब, बट a lot of times like randomly I see all these hacks and cleaning hacks to clean like copper and silver and all of that, you know, अलग अलग hacks होते हैं। So I thought, you know what, let's just test them. सीधा सीधा सामने टेस्ट करके देखते हैं, डू दे वर्क और डू दे नॉट वर्क। इन केस दे वर्क देन वेल, इट्स गोइंग टू बी फन। इफ इट डज नॉट तो नॉर्मल तो घिसते हैं, घिसते ही रहेंगे। सो दैट इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू। सो व्हाट आई हैव डन इज आई हैव बॉट 2 तांबे के बर्तन, ओके, एंड 2 चांदी के बर्तन। Yeah, so I'm going to be trying 4 different ways. The first is something so weird that I've not even heard about is trying out ketchup. Can you imagine ketchup? So like a real true middle class person, I have bought a tomato ketchup का sachet because I don't want to use the अच्छा वाला ketchup जो हम लोग घर में use करते हैं, या free वाला sachet पहले use करेंगे। अगर it works and if we need more तो अच्छा वाला sauce लेके आएंगे। और ketchup क्या होता है, sauce को sauce क्यों नहीं बोल सकते। We're going to use that to clean the तांबे का लोटा। So basically we just have to take the ketchup and apply it all over, okay, and let it sit for like, I don't know, for like 5 minutes. I think 1 sachet will be enough. I don't need to use मेरे घर का sauce. Let's just take the toothbrush a little bit and see. It does seem to be cleaner to me. Yeah. Hey, this shit works. Okay, this works. It's very surprising. It's very surprising that it works, but this works. Like, just like a little bit more scrubbing and it's going to be good. The next hack I have heard a lot about is vinegar से. Now vinegar I think it might work because at the end citric acid होता है तो काम तो करना चाहिए, but let's see. I'm gonna take some vinegar and spray it. Okay, yeah, sorry. Spray on some vinegar. This is baking soda, so I'm gonna add on the baking soda from top. Oh wow. Ooh, love it. It stinks. I don't know what I was expecting, but Safai Bay. This one stinks so bad that it's just giving me the belief that it has to work. Let's see. Let's see. Do you work? Do you work? Do you work? If I've ever pretended to be glamorous in life, this is my reality, guys. This definitely doesn't work, okay, but it still needs a lot of scrubbing. मतलब it's equal to, I think, तो ये तो साबुन से धोने से equal ही हो गया. Okay, this is a fail. Okay, this doesn't work. The next is also similar. It is lemon and salt. You basically have to take some lemon का juice and apply it, and then apply lemon or salt over it, and that's how it works. So just first taking the lemon का छिलका. We have our salt and we have our नींबू. And oh wow, dude. Okay. It's like magic. Okay, this works best. This is the best thing in this world. I'm going to do this only. I'm not going to do anything. And this was actually also for the chandi ke bartan. The fourth again is super weird, that is using Colgate. Now Colgate घर में कोई नहीं use करता. Only I use that to apply on my acne so that वो जल्दी सूख जाए. I will not recommend it to people, but it really works for the acne. So if you need like a quick fix for acne, the Colgate does work, but I don't know if it's harmful for the acne or for the skin. इसलिए I'm not recommending it, but I'm just telling you that it works. Let's try it out. Oopsies. Oopsie daisies, oopsie daisies. So you have to apply it and then sort of brush it. I don't know, man. Like, I don't know who gets this weird hacks. Like, who decided one day that I'm tired of washing things with soap, let's try Colgate? I mean, I want to know who decided it. And like, if it works, then I want to thank them. If it doesn't, then I don't know, I still want to know. I'm just gonna apply it and leave it for like 2 minutes. Hey, it works. Okay, so the Colgate on Chandi things 100% works. Okay, so this was really fun for me to do. So out of the 4 hacks that I tried, 3 of them definitely work. The vinegar and baking soda one does not work, or at least it didn't work with me. I don't know. My favorite has to be the lemon and salt one. Because it was like so quick, literally 1 minute में वो साफ होने लगा था. The Colgate one also worked quite well. The sauce one, I'm not very sure about it. मतलब it worked. It definitely works. So for my safai and everything जो होगा, I'm definitely going to be trying the lemon and salt thing and also the Colgate thing. Especially वो जो गणेश लक्ष्मी जी की मूर्तियाँ होती है ना, वो छोटी होती है, but it has a lot of detailing. So it's quite hard to clean that. So for that, I'm definitely going to be trying out the Colgate trip, because if it works, it's going to become so much easier. So yeah, with that, we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and it helped you in some sort of way. If it did, then please don't forget to like this video, comment down below and let me know which hack was your favorite. I would love it if you could share this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you tomorrow with another video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy, stay healthy.